Question for you. Would you ever let your office lobby sit with broken furniture, flickering lights, or piles of old files stacked up for clients to see? Of course not. But here's the truth. If you're not maintaining your law firm's website every single month, that's exactly the impression you're giving online. And in today's world, your website is your office lobby. I'm Stacey Ivel, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate monthly website maintenance checklist for law firms. 9 simple tasks that keep your site fast, secure, professional, and client ready. Ignore these and you risk losing leads, hurting your SEO, and even exposing client data. Stick around because I'll also share how to automate some of this so you can focus on practicing law, not babysitting plugins. First, let's talk about why maintenance matters so much for law firms. Clients judge you within seconds. A slow, outdated, or broken site says you're careless. Worse, skipping updates leaves you vulnerable to security breaches. And in the legal industry, that's not just embarrassing, it could become an ethical issue. Finally, Google rewards fresh, fast, well-maintained sites. That means better rankings when someone searches for divorce lawyer near me or estate attorney in your city. So, number 1, check your site speed. Run a test with Google's PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix. Compress large attorney headshots, PDFs, and videos. And always test on mobile. That's where most clients find you. Number 2, back up your site. Schedule automatic backups weekly if you post new blogs, and store them somewhere safe, off-site. Losing your site is like losing your case files. You need insurance. Number 3, perform security updates. Update your CMS, plugins, and themes. Scan for malware with tools like Wordfence or Sucuri. And make sure your SSL certificate is active, especially if you have intake forms. Number 4, review your plugins and integrations. Every plugin is a doorway hackers could exploit. Delete what you're not losing and double check that your CRM integrations like Clio or Lawmatics are secure. Number 5, look for broken links. Nothing screams neglect like a 404 error. Run Screaming Frog or Ahrefs and fix broken links to old blog posts, bios, or court resources. Number 6, review content accuracy. Update attorney bios with recent wins, awards, and bar admissions. Refresh practice pages with current laws. Outdated content makes you look sloppy. Don't let that happen. Number 7, review analytics. Check Google Analytics 4 and Search Console. Which practice areas drive the most traffic? Where are people bouncing? If your estate planning page is crushing it, but your personal entry page is weak, that's insight that you can act on. Number 8, test your intake forms. Submit your own consultation or contact me form. Did it go through? Do you get an auto reply? Does click to call work on mobile? Nearly 70% of law firm websites fail here. Don't be one of them. And number 9, check accessibility and professionalism. Make sure your site is ADA compliant, readable, and free of typos. A professional looking site reflects a professional firm. So there you have it. 9 quick monthly checks that protect your firm's reputation, improve your SEO, and keep your intake pipeline flowing. Think of this like brushing your teeth. Do it regularly and you'll prevent big, expensive problems down the road. If you want to download this entire checklist, I've linked a free Google Doc version below. Print it, share it with your team, or delegate it to your marketing partner. And if you'd rather have someone handle it all for you while you focus on lawyering, that's exactly what we do. Click the link to book a quick call. Once you get your monthly maintenance figured out, step up your website game and turn it into a client-generating machine with this next video.